It's a clear yet brisk morning on Maunakea, and work to conserve and protect a native bug no bigger than a grain of rice is in motion.
When we do these wēkiu bug surveys, we're monitoring for wēkiu bugs to understand their population, but we're also trying to get a sense of different invasive species threats that could potentially threaten the wēkiu bug. Things like ants, especially ants, are actually our #1 threat on the mountain.
In the Hawaiian language, wēkiu means summit or peak. These rare bugs are found nowhere else in the world and well adapted to Maunakea's harsh environment. Since 2002, the University of Hawaiʻi at Hilo Center for Maunakea Stewardship has compiled years of research, both on the ground and in the lab, closely analyzing the insect's biology, genetics, and habitat, assuring its survival. That work resulted in the species' removal as a candidate for federal protection.
Our goal is really, first of all, to learn as much as we can about the native species on Mauna Kea, and then to ensure their ongoing survivability. The immediate management challenge to that is really mitigating human impacts to the resources, because that's where the biggest threat comes from.
Annual assessments of the wēkiu population are conducted, but the journey to get to them is no easy task. Researchers make the windy drive to the summit, enduring high altitudes and low oxygen levels. They scatter traps across the summit. Some locations require them to climb towering 200-foot-tall cinder cones. Each bug is counted by hand and then released back onto the mauna.
To be able to trap for insects, to be able to do restoration efforts, it's really amazing. And I love my job and I love what I do because I try to protect the resources every day, and that's my job.
The research findings for 2021 indicate the tiny bug's population remains healthy. On the Mauna, prevention is key to protecting native species that live and breathe here.